Bringing you today in history and some few global observances. 1715, a deadly hurricane struck the east coast of Florida, sinking 10 Spanish treasure ships claiming nearly 1,000 lives and sending an estimated 40 million pesos in gold and silver to the ocean floor. To some global observances, we have National Avocado Day, to honor the fruit's rich nutritional value, incredible kitchen versatility, and massive global popularity. We also have National Talk in an Elevator Day, encourages people to break the silent social contract of lift right by starting a friendly chat, sharing a light-hearted joke, or meeting someone new. We also have Uncommon Instruments Awareness Day, to highlight raw, experimental, and unique musical instruments from around the world. It encourages people to listen to, learn about, or even build their own unconventional sound makers outside of mainstream instruments like the piano and guitar. And that's all for today on Today in History and some global observances live on Ghana Talks Breakfast Show.